Discover the ultimate cleaning companion with our selection of the best flat mop and bucket sets. Designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine, these innovative tools combine efficiency, convenience, and durability to deliver impeccable results every time. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional mops and embrace the future of floor cleaning. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best flat mop and bucket sets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Joymoop mop and bucket with Wringer set, a must-have household cleaning tool. Ranked at number 5, this versatile set features a unique design with 2 chambers, wash and dry. Say goodbye to dirty hands. In the wash chamber, effortlessly scrub away stubborn dirt, while the dry chamber wrings out excess water. Remember, to avoid any hard insert problems, wet mop before use. Let the Joymoop mop and bucket do the work for you, saving precious time and labor. Experience the convenience of self-cleaning and bid farewell to dirty water. With a 360 degrees rotation mop head, no corner or hard-to-reach spot will be left unclean. Need extra length? The adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 26.5 to 60.0 inches, making it perfect for mopping with the whole family. And that's not all. With 8 washable microfiber pad refills included, this set ensures strong water absorption for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the Joymoop mop and bucket with Wringer set, available at an unbeatable price of just $58. Meet the Bosheng mop and bucket with Wringer set, a cleaning powerhouse that deserves the top spot on your shopping list. With its innovative features and unbeatable price of just $39, it's a must-have for every home and office. At number 4 on our list, the Bosheng flat floor mop takes cleaning to a whole new level. Its 360 degrees rotatable rectangular mop heads easily reach into corners and narrow spaces, surpassing the capabilities of triangular and round mops. From floors to windows, this versatile mop has got you covered. Say goodbye to dirty hands with the hands-free squeeze feature. The flat mop head automatically rebounds within 30 degrees, preventing any contact with dirt. Cleaning has never been so hygienic and hassle-free. The exclusive bucket design boasts 2 grooves, one for cleaning and the other for drying. With a simple up and down motion, the 2 scraping blades aid in cleaning the mop and controlling moisture levels effectively. Introducing the CleanZoom reusable mop and bucket set, a game changer in cleaning. With this amazing product, you can say goodbye to watermarks on wet surfaces and hello to spotless dry cleaning on wood floors, tiles, glass, and more. This versatile mop does it all. What sets us apart? Our hands-free and mess-free design. No more wringing, splashing, or spilling. The mop and bucket with a Wringer set are spill-resistant, and when you're finished cleaning, it's easy to pour out the water. The handle stands upright in the bucket, providing greater stability. Our patented dual-chamber wet-dry flat mop system is a marvel. Weighing just 3.64 pounds and measuring 15 by 8 by 7.09 inches, it's compact and lightweight, fitting perfectly in small storage spaces. You'll love how effortlessly you can move around the house with this mop. But that's not all. The CleanZoom mop head features a 360-degree pivot, allowing it to reach under furniture and into tight spaces with ease. The mop head and mop pad are 12.75 inches wide, ensuring efficient cleaning, with a price of just $26. Discover the Oshang flat squeeze mop and bucket, a top-notch cleaning solution that takes quality to the next level. Grab the number 2 spot on your shopping list and get ready for a premium experience. Crafted from unbreakable, rust-free polypropylene plastic, this set is built to last, ensuring you'll enjoy its benefits for a long time. Plus, the stainless steel handle extends up to 61.0 inches, sparing your back from any unnecessary strain. But that's not all. Our innovative design includes a built-in Wringer, allowing you to clean the mop hands-free. No more manual squeezing. This feature guarantees a thorough cleaning by lifting away dirt and preventing it from returning, while also keeping your floors dry and splash-free. Equipped with microfiber mop pads, this product goes above and beyond in providing an effective clean. The deep cleaning cloth effortlessly removes dirt, pet hair, and filth, ensuring a spotless result. And rest assured, this stylish floor mop and bucket set is safe for everyday use, making it a reliable choice, with an attractive price tag of just $59. Say hello to the revolutionary TopTier flat floor mop and bucket set, our #1 pick for pristine floors. With the X3, you can bid farewell to the days of using dirty, contaminated water to clean your floors. Its groundbreaking design ensures a clear separation of clean and dirty water, guaranteeing a truly hygienic cleaning experience. Equipped with 3 reusable microfiber mop pads, this set is perfect for various floor types, and you can easily toss them in the washing machine for hassle-free maintenance. The mop grip handle boasts an extra soft touch for your comfort, while the stainless steel mop shaft offers a 360 degrees rotation, effortlessly tackling those hard-to-reach areas. Embrace versatility with this mop. Unleash its power when wet for a deep clean or go dry for dusting floors, ceilings, windows, and surfaces. Priced at just $59. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.